Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'm not cooking anything for you. There's no recipe to be uploaded. But instead, I would like to take this opportunity to mention a few things. Among all, the direction of Taste of Asian Food from now on. So, why am I going to make some changes of the direction? Well, you know that Taste of Asian Food is always talking about how to create the traditional types of Asian food, particularly Chinese and Malaysian food. But over the past few years, and also I've been working in Western style cafe and restaurant, and I'm exposed to other types of food. So I just do not want to restrict myself to just Asian food alone, and would like to take this opportunity to try on other different types of recipes. So heads up to you if you suddenly find that, wow, what I'm uploaded is not Asian food. Don't be surprised. This is an announcement that I'm going to do that, but it doesn't mean that I'm not going to cook Asian food. I still cook Asian food. It's just an addition. I just want to take away the limits by the name of my channel. So if I have the opportunities and the ability to make something that is really good and really simple, very delicious, but it is not Asian, I will put into this channel. And I will put all this into a new playlist by the name of Simple Delicious Eats. And these three words summarize everything about these new groups of recipe that is simple to make, definitely has to be delicious, and it is suitable to cook at home. That means that it is not complicated. So that's all for today, and I'm going to make the new video very soon. See you later.